So you should be posting your most viewed videos in the last 7 days, copy all those links, post them on your community tab multiple times a day. Don't just use your community tab once in a month or once every 2 weeks. You should be using your community tab multiple times a day to post your most viewed, your most, the video that's bringing you the most money within the last 7 days. You should be posting that and reposting it on your community tab. Also, if you've got other social media platforms, you should be sharing that link there as well. So the more views you get on it, the more revenue obviously will come in as well. I think that's really a good tip. I'm not really sure, a lot of people might have said that to you already. Um, and also with the community tab, there's a lot of different ways you can post things on there. You can post a photograph, so you can post a picture, you can post a poll. I think you can, yeah, you can do a poll question. You can just physically post a link, and then you can, what else do I do? Anyway, I think the major three. So yeah, I don't think anyone might have told you this about your community tab, but it works really well. So what you should do is post your link. So if you copied your link, paste it on your community tab as normal. That's one way to do it. And then if you create a poll question, it could be anything, and then before you press post, drop your link inside that. Inside the poll question that you make, drop your link inside it as well. I don't know, if you go to my community tab, you might see an example of where I've done that. Yeah, you can have a look at that after that if I'm not making sense right now. And then also, if you post a photograph or a picture of the video, whatever it is, on your community tab, and then you could just post a link above that. And then another way to do it is, if you write, I don't know, for example, watch this video next. On your community tab, you can write watch this video next, but you'd have to write watch your video next, then you press post, and then after you've pressed post, then you go back into it, and then you can re-edit it and drop your link, your video link inside. If you drop the link by itself, it will come up as a playable video. So if you drop the text first and then you press post and then you go back into it, then you can drop your link. Then it will look like a sentence. I think after this live stream, I will do an example of that. I'll put it on my community tab so that you can refer back to it, because all these things I'm explaining, I know it's hard to understand without visuals. Yeah. So I think I've covered most of my points. And if you have any questions, you can ask me the questions that you may have now, or to clarify anything that I've been talking about. If you have any, you can put it in the comment section. I can see the comment section, so I'll be able to respond to it. And if you don't have any questions right now, you can leave it after the video in the comment section, and I will endeavor to get back to your comments. Is there anything else, any other topics that you might be interested in, that you might like me to cover for next time? And you could leave that in the comment section after this. Also, please do check out our playlist section. We've got YouTube growth playlist in there, and I've also reposted it on my community tab to make it easier for you to find. So please do listen to the audios and the podcast that we have in there. Yeah, thank you so much for your time. I do thank you for tuning in. I hope this has been helpful. I've shared my personal tips with you and that have been successful for me. So I hope that this can also help out some other people. Yeah, on this. So I think just a quick recap before I leave. Yeah, I said, look at your views. Look at your channel in the light of how much is my channel bringing in, and as a whole, rather than looking at each individual video. And then if your video views are low, don't be too hard on yourself. Don't pressurize yourself too much. upload more shorts as well, and also yeah, upload more shorts. That will generate more income for you, because the more views you get, the more money that comes in as well. And what else have I got here? Yes, concentrate on your channel. Concentrate on how many views you are bringing in the last 60 minutes, the last 1 hour. How many views is your channel as a whole bringing in the last 1 hour? And whatever that figure is, try to maintain it. Don't let it drop below. So let's say you're bringing in 5,000 views per 1 hour. Do not let your overall views drop below 5,000 views per 1 hour, because that equates to how much money you are making. So let's just say if you're making 5,000 views per hour and then it drops down to 1,000 views per hour, you'll see the impact in your revenue. So the next time you go onto your YouTube studio, check what your views are in the last 60 minutes, last 1 hour, and try to maintain that figure. And then that will maintain how much money you are bringing in on a daily basis. I also said if you have multiple channels, you should write down how much each channel is bringing you on a daily basis, so that if one channel is lacking, you can work harder on that channel. And I also said you should upload daily, because uploading daily will increase the potential of you making more money. The more uploads, the more money, basically. And I think we've all noticed that if you don't upload consistently, everything drops. The views drop, the watch hours drop, the revenue drops, the subscribers drop. I think it all goes hand in hand. So upload, 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 and consistency, consistency, consistency. And also, yeah, do your prayers and pray to God that your videos will go viral, because the more viral videos you get, the more money you get. And that's obvious. I know it's hard to get viral, but yeah, if you pray towards it, I'm sure God will put you in that line as well, God willing. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate you tuning in here. And thank you so much for all the thumbs up that we have. And thank you. I think we've got 16 people left on the live stream. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being here. Estelicious, thank you so much as well. And yeah, I'm about to go. I'm out of breath now. Hi, Mighty MTV. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for everything you do, and your brother and your mum as well. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll never forget all your help. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.